नस्तत्पश्यन् हितं गुहासद्यत्र विश्वं भवत्येकनीडं तस्मिन्निदं स च विचैति सर्वः स ओतप्रोतश्च विभुप्रजासु. Good evening everyone. I am heartily thankful to Swamiji. I also greet all the people who came from all over India. I am Brahmachari Sarth and now I am going to give a short speech about Vedic property. We all will try to understand some short topics about Vedic property. Vedic culture believes in universalism, which is known as globalization in modern time. Yatra Vishwam Bhavatyeka Needam. The followers of this culture, which pervades the universe, believe that they are followers and not the master of this nature. They never treat nature as their property. This description depicts the intrinsic concept of Vedic universalism, the real ideal of globalization. Apart from the meaning and the definition of the Veda, it is a demand of time to cast a gaze on contemporary importance of the Vedas. As we know that our Indian culture, because of its eternity and antiquity, leaves all the literary monuments of the world behind its glory. But common people in India generally know that the Vedas are mere the old-fashioned books on Vedic rites and ashram dharma. They have a feeble idea about the Vedic approach to the humanism. Hence, it is the high time to point out some positive elements from the Vedic literature before the people of India. Therefore, this paper endeavors as follows. As we know that our Indian culture takes oxygen for its life and existence from Vedic mantras, Aranyakas and Upanishads. Here it is necessary to mention that the Vedic literature is the original speech of the seers of the past, who are accomplished in spiritual science and through the power of yoga they realized the bliss of Brahma. It is true that the Vedic literature crosses the border of country and community to lead the light of Vedic universalism in all people equally, and tries its best to make a common society of human beings of highest rank and spiritually developed. This is the message of the Vishwam Bhavatyeka Needam of the Rig Veda. Here is the original speech of globalization, which is a burning problem of the modern world. The modern concept of globalization, which is based on the economic condition of society, while this theory was well discussed in the assembly of Vedic deities and the seers of Vedic India. So, the Atharva Veda obviously says, Urum lokam prithvi nah krinotu and Vishwambhara vasudhani pratishtha hiranyavaksa jagato nivesani. Thank you.